Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a capybara from Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this cute capybara, let's first start by drawing the Squishmallow shape. So I'm going to start right here with a curve at the top for the top of the head. And the tops are always a little bit narrower, so I'm just going to go around and come down. And so now that I have this big curve in, I'm going to bring it down. And as always, it's all up to you how squished you want your Squishmallow. So you can make yours a little bit taller or shorter. I'm going to start about right here. I'm going to bring it down, and it's always kind of like drawing a big egg. And then let's bring it in. I always like to go back and forth just to make sure that I'm going about the same on both sides. And then let's go back in and connect. So now you have your basic Squishmallow shape. So we're going to kind of flatten it out towards the bottom and connect on this side. There. Okay, so now you can make this whatever you like, right? Whatever Squishmallow. But today we wanted to make, I wanted to draw a capybara. So I'm going to come to the center area, about right here, and we're going to draw the nose and mouth area. So we're going to start at the top about here, and I'm just going to draw a curve towards the center. Then we're going to widen out, bring it down and widen it out as we come down. We're just going to angle it out. And then about right there, we're going to start to bring it in. We want this nice and big, but not too big. We still need to draw the tummy area, so just keep that in mind. So it's just about right here. And then go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a curve. There. The basic shape like that. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's come back into the center. So about right here, I'm going to give myself a point, and from there I'm going to go straight down with a line and then curve out on both sides. Then we're going to come back up above this where you started, and we're going to draw the nostril. So about right here on both sides, we're just going to draw this kind of teardrop shape and shade it in. So same thing on the other side. And shade it in. There. And then from there, we can go ahead and draw the eyes. So I'm going to come back to about right here, and I'm going to skip a little bit of space, come over about right here. And same thing on the other side. And oh, isn't that cute? And then we're going to draw the eyes. So right about here, we're just going to draw a curve and go up. And I'm going to thicken this up. And then add some lashes. So right here, we're going to add 1, 2, and 3. And I'll thicken them up. There. So same thing on the other side. And up. And so once again, same thing here. 1, 2, and 3. There, such a silly face, right? But so cute. Hopefully you think so too. That's why I had to draw it for you. And let's see here. Okay, then from there we need to draw the tummy area. So I'll start about right here, and I'm just going to drag this point across so I know where I'm going on the other side, about right here. And I'm just going to draw this big curve right underneath that nose. So let's go up and about right there, and go ahead and bring it down. back to this point. There. And then from there we need to draw the ears, of course. So let's come back to the center, find your center, and then come out. So about in this area. So say about right here, we're just going to draw a curve, come out for these cute little ears, and bring it in. And then for some details, you come right here, just draw a curve. And so same thing on the other side, about right there. And once again, and bring it in. And same thing, just draw a little curve right there. And that is it for this cute capybara. And but before I go, I'm gonna add a little heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute Squishmallow capybara. I really hope you love this drawing and that it brought a smile to your day and that I was able to help you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.